Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Cronus to Zen Studio. First, download and install the latest Zen Studio software from the official website, ensuring you have the correct version for your operating system. Next, make sure your Cronus Zen device is updated to its most recent firmware. Then, connect your Cronus Zen to your computer using the provided micro USB cable. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and successful connection. Once Zen Studio is open, navigate to the Device tab on the left-hand side. Here, you should see your Cronus Zen device recognized and displayed. If it isn't, try using a different USB port on your computer or reinstalling the Zen Studio drivers. A successful connection is indicated by your device appearing in this section, ready for configuration and further steps. With your device recognized, you can now program your Cronus Zen. Go to the Programmer tab and drag and drop your desired game packs or scripts onto your device. Configure any game pack settings as needed, then save them to one of the device's 8 available memory slots. Once programmed, safely disconnect your Cronus Zen from the computer and connect it to your gaming console. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. First, consult the official Cronus Zen user manual for detailed troubleshooting steps. You can also visit the Cronus Zen forums for community support and common solutions. Always ensure all cables are securely connected and that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Zen Studio. Patience is key to resolving any connection challenges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.